Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Ghana cabbage stew. Yes, so stay tuned. So for the start, I'm adding some beef spice to my meat, and I'll add some salt, anise seeds and rosemary. I have some beautifully chopped onions and 1 cube spice. So I'm adding just a little bit of water and I'll mix that together. I'll go ahead and cook this for some time. And when it's done, I'll blend my pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion with my meat stock. I'll shallow fry the meat for some time. So now I'll go ahead and fry the beautifully chopped onions in the same oil I used to fry the meat. To that, I'll add the blended pepper, garlic, onion, and ginger. I'll let it cook for some few minutes. And I'll proceed by adding some sliced fresh tomatoes. I'll add some tomato paste, which will thicken the stew and also bring some flavor and color to the stew. So at this point, I'll add some bay leaves to it, which will emit a more palatable flavor and aroma the more the stew simmers. So now I'll be adding some nutmeg powder, curry powder, and some salt. That is if it's not enough, okay? So you just have to taste it first. Since we added the stock of the meat, okay? So just taste it before you add salt. So now I'll go ahead and add my fried meat to the stew. And now I'll go ahead and add the cabbage to it, and we'll be cooking it for just 3 minutes because we don't want all our vegetables to become very soft, okay? So I'll give it a good stir until it all becomes well incorporated. Now I'm adding sardine and all the vegetables I chopped, okay? So I have carrots, green bell pepper, and some onion. And we'll just cook this for 3 minutes, and now our cabbage stew is ready, and you can serve this with anything you want, whether rice or yam. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, leave on the notification button, and you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted.